Hey, boys and girls, I want to talk to you today about composing and decomposing numbers. So, our I can statement for this week is going to say, I can compose and decompose numbers to 999. Well, the word compose right here means put together or build. Like when you're building something with Legos, you're composing it, you're putting it together. And if you're decomposing it, putting that DE in front of a word means you're taking it apart. You're decomposing it. So we're going to talk about putting numbers together, building them, and taking them apart to 999. So today for math, you're going to need to go to your braining camp. Remember, you go to your dashboard, and then you go to braining camp. Okay, and you get your base 10 blocks because we're going to need those to compose and decompose some numbers. So let's start with an easy number first. Let's start with the number 58. If I wanted to compose the number 58, put my pen back down, I would need to think about our wrap. I got my ones, my tens, my hundreds. Well, I'm going to need 5 tens. So I'm going to make 58, 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, and I'm going to need 8 ones. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. There's 58, right? Now, is that the only way I could make that? No. Look at there. I got 68. I got to go in here and get rid of one of these. All right, now I go. 58. Now, if I wanted to, I could have turned one of these and I could have had 40, 58, or I could just put it back. Oops. If you make a box around it like you're going to highlight it and then put this one, you can put it back into a tin stick. Okay, so there's the number 58. Let's try another one. Let's try a number. Oh, that's not going to work. Put that back down. Let's try another number. Let's say this time we want to try a number in the hundreds. I want to try a number like 145. Okay, so I'm going to try to build the number 145. Well, I know my ones, my tens, my hundreds. I'm going to need 100. I'm going to need 4 tens, 10, 20, 30, 40. And how many ones am I going to need? 5 ones. Let's build 145. Now, what I want you to do along with me is while you're watching, you can pause my video and go to your braining camp and see if you can build a number. And then you can unpause my video and come back and see if it's the same this time. Okay, so let's try a new one. I want to see all of you build the number 264. So pause my video and then go back to your dashboard and get your braining camp and see if you can make the number 264, and then come back and see me and see if yours looks like mine. Hopefully, let's see how you thought about that. I got my ones, my tens, my hundreds. So hopefully, let's see if your number look like mine. I have 2 hundreds, 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, and 4 ones. 1, 2, 3, 4. Did you guys build yours like mine? How about if I had done this instead? What if I had built it with 100 and 16 tens and 4 ones? Is that still 264? Yes, even though I turned that into tens, it's still 264. So I could build it lots of different ways. Must not be all the way up. Okay, or I could have made these ones, right? I could have built it another way. I could have built it with 100, 15 tens, and 14 ones, but I still have the number 264. See if you can make that number a different way. Pause my video and go back and see if you can make it a different way. All right, let's try another one. Let's try the number, let's see, 347. Let's compose the number 347. Pause your video, pause my video, and go back to your braining camp and see if you can make the number 347 for me. All right, let's see if your number looks like mine. I'm going to build it with 300s. I'm going to build it with 4 10s. And I'm going to build it with 7 1s. I have 347. Now stop, pause my video, and go back and see if you can make 347 in a different way. What's a different way I could make 347? And come back and show me. You might have chosen to decompose this number. So now I have 300s, 3 10s, and 17 ones. That would work. Or I could take one of these hundreds apart, and I might have 200s, 14 10s, and 7 1s, but I still have the number 347. So I want you to take a few minutes now and build some numbers that go all the way up to 999 and compose them and decompose them today for your math lesson. Okay? Great job today.